This audio is part of Bloom's educational materials. 6th grade, Unit 2, Get in the Game, Exploring Different Sports and Healthy Habits. Page 15. Listening Comprehension. Number the sequence according to what you hear. Then, mark true or false.
Hello, students! Today we are going to talk about sports. Sports are very important for our body and mind. When we play sports, we can run, jump, and have fun. Sports help us stay healthy and strong. In sports, fair play is very important. Fair play means playing by the rules and being honest. We must not cheat, and we must play in a good way. Respect is also very important. We must respect our teammates, our coach, and the other players. We must also respect the referee. The fans are important too. The fans can support their team, but they must be respectful. They can't shout bad words or be rude. Remember, sports are not only about winning. Sports are about learning, helping others, and having fun together. Thank you, students.